सो आई वॉज रीडिंग ए बुक नेम्ड ब्लैक स्वान, और जब मैंने इस बुक को फिनिश किया तो इट कंप्लीटली चेंज्ड माई आउटलुक टुवर्ड्स सीइंग द वर्ल्ड। इसने मुझे कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट तरीके से देखना सिखा दिया, और ये ऐसी बुक थी जो कि मेरे लाइफ में बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पैक्टफुल हुआ। तो जब मैंने ये बुक फिनिश किया और जब मैंने इसकी लर्निंग ली तो आई थॉट कि ये लोगों से शेयर करना चाहिए। और ट्रस्ट मी, अगर आप ये वीडियो लास्ट तक देखोगे तो आई एम 100% श्योर कि यू आर गोइंग टू गेट सम रियली रियली गुड बेनिफिट फ्रॉम द सम आइडिया दैट आई एम अबाउट टू शेयर फ्रॉम दैट बुक। सो डोंट मिस आउट। सो वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल एंड एंड लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस वीडियो। सो व्हाई दिस बुक हैज नेम ब्लैक स्वान? इसको ब्लैक स्वान क्यों बोलते हैं? तो पहले क्या हुआ कि यूएस में लोगों को लगता था कि जो हंस होते हैं वो सिर्फ सफेद होते हैं। दे यूज टू थिंक देयर आर ओनली व्हाइट स्वॉन्स अंटिल एंड अनलेस ऑस्ट्रेलिया डिस्कवर्ड हुआ एंड दे रियलाइज्ड कि नहीं, ब्लैक स्वान भी होते हैं। सो सिर्फ एक आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स एग्जांपल इज एनफ टू प्रूव एवरीथिंग रॉन्ग जो कि आप अभी तक बिलीव करते आए थे। एंड दिस इज व्हाट एग्जैक्टली हैपेंड व्हेन एप्पल केम, और लोगों को लगता था कि सिर्फ कीपैड से ही आप कंट्रोल कर सकते हो, बट दे इन्वेंटेड दिस स्क्रीन टच एंड एवरीथिंग चेंज्ड। सो हमको लगता है कि जो वर्ल्ड है वो एक सीक्वेंशियल जाता है कि 2 फिर 4 फिर 8 ऐसे जाता है। नो, द प्रोग्रेशन हैपेंस इन जंप्स, इट हैपेंस इन ब्लैक स्वान इवेंट्स। सो इंटरनेट वाज ए ब्लैक स्वान इवेंट। सो अगर आप इस समय किसी से पूछोगे कि व्हाट डू यू थिंक चेंज द वर्ल्ड मोस्ट, सो दे विल हैव दिस आंसर कि कंप्यूटर, इंटरनेट, लेजर। एंड इफ यू आस्क पीपल कि व्हाट इज गोइंग टू चेंज द नेक्स्ट generation or next 10 year 20 year, they all have these made up answers ki artificial intelligence or virtual reality bullshit. Nobody knows. अगर आप ये चीज़ किसी से आज 20 साल पहले पूछते थे कि do you really think कि internet going to change the world, they didn't have any clue. उनको कुछ नहीं पता था कि क्या होने वाला है. So those people who are making random guess कि AI is new electricity and it is going to change the world, it's not. We don't know what is going to happen. It will be a black swan event. Nobody knows what it's going to be, but it will be. And if you see our history, black swan events happened and we missed them and we will miss them in the future as well. World War II, stock crash of 1987. जब मार्केट क्रैश हुआ तो लोगों को लगता था कि अभी अगले साल 8% ग्रोथ से हमारी इकोनॉमी यहाँ जाएगी, एंड इट सडनली क्रैश्ड, फिनिश्ड। सबको लगा अरे ये क्या हो गया। दैट वाज ए ब्लैक स्वान इवेंट। हम 2019 के शुरुआत में या 2019 के लास्ट में कितने खुश थे। वी थिंक कि अगले साल ये होगा वो होगा। कोविड अटैक्ड, फक्ड, एवरीथिंग वैनिश्ड, व्हाटएवर यू थॉट इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू वर्क। दिस इज अ ब्लैक स्वान इवेंट एंड इट विल हैपन एंड वी डोंट हैव एनी कंट्रोल ओवर दिस। सो व्हाट वी कैन डू, देयर इज अ ब्यूटिफुल कोट दैट you gain more control by knowing that you don't have any control. You gain more freedom by realizing that you are not free. You know more about yourself by knowing that you don't know much about yourself. So this is a round trip fallacy that you have to accept, that you don't have control over these black swan events. You don't have control over these jumps that is going to happen in the future. So you can just sit back and accept them to be happen. So first चीज that this book taught कि why these black swan events happen, ऐसा होता क्यों है कि we miss them already. So पहली चीज है कि we overvalue the single fact. So like this COVID thing is happening, coronavirus is spreading and it is like swept out the whole world, economy is down but it is like gaining the strength now. We all are blaming it on China कि China is a rogue nation and it developed a virus on their laboratory or anything happened and that's why it is happening. Simple fact, we are missing the millions of variables कि कोरोना वायरस आया क्यों, कहाँ से आया. It's not because of China, it's because of millions of other factors. Somebody ate the bat, somebody ate the meat, somebody traveled from China to India, from India to my hometown. These all factors that are going to contribute to this whole disaster. So we overvalue this one simple story and we said कि हाँ मुझे पता है कि क्या हो रहा है because of China, खत्म. And this is a human nature. We try to explain everything on single evidence. हमारे देश की इकोनॉमी क्यों गिर रही है? भाजपा है। हमारे देश में भ्रष्टाचार क्यों है? कांग्रेस थी। दिस इज द ओवर वैल्यूएशन ऑफ द फैक्ट. वी ट्राई टू डू एवरीथिंग ऑन ए सिंगल स्टोरी. इवन मीडिया, even big analysts, big companies, they all have these one single story, one single explanation for this whole big things. So this book said कि we don't know much, we don't know almost anything. It is almost impossible for a single human being to analyze these millions of variables to come up with a single reason. It is impossible. It is not going to happen from a single person or from a single company or from a single algorithm that is going to use or analyze the data. No, it's impossible. So you have to accept that it is not because of one simple reason. It is because of millions of other factors. So they will happen and you cannot explain them why, but we will try to explain them by using this single story. So second reason why we miss them is they never repeat themselves. Coronavirus or COVID is not going to repeat itself. World War II is not going to repeat itself, and the technical formation that happened in the financial crisis of 1987, it is not going to repeat in 2008, or it is not going to repeat in 2020 or 21 or 2030. It is not going to repeat. It will never repeat because it is a black swan event. They never repeat. So we misunderstand that if this is not repeating, then it will not happen. But it will happen. This is a black swan event. This is going to happen. We were not expecting the corona thing, but it happened anyway. Next important reason that we miss this black swan thing is round trip fallacy. Round trip fallacy is about if A leads to B, then B leads to A. No. Let me give you an example. Whenever you listen to the news or a news about a terrorist, they always say that the terrorist was a Muslim. So it is good to assume that almost all terrorists are Muslim, but it is not true the round ways, like almost all Muslims are terrorists. It is false. It is perfectly false. So we have to have this round trip fallacy that if something A leads to B, then B will definitely lead to A, and that's why we miss these black swan events. Let me give you another example. Like if you're not trying anything new, you're sitting at your home doing nothing, and you're saying that there is no proof of failure. You're right, exactly you're right. If you're not trying anything new, तुम लाइफ में कुछ अच्छा नहीं कर रहे हो, कुछ नया ट्राई नहीं कर रहे हो, 100% true that there is no proof of failure. But it doesn't mean that this is a proof of no failure. These two things are completely different. No proof of failure or proof of no failure. Understand these words. When you're trying something new, you're constantly failing. You're trying something new, you're constantly failing, and that will ultimately lead you to a successful and happy life. That gives you proof of no failure, rather than trying nothing and sitting on your couch and blaming it on something else. That will give you no proof of failure. So these two things are completely different. So either you can have no proof of failure or proof of no failure. It depends on how you are doing and what you are doing. And next most important thing is silent evidence. Silent evidence is like supposedly when you ask the gamblers, they will say कि they had the beginner's luck. They had these beginner's luck and they won the lottery. So when we analyze those things, so we say कि जितने भी gamblers होते हैं, they all had beginner's luck. लेकिन that was not true. When the gambler started, if they had beginner luck, they went through the process. अगर वो शुरू में ही हार गए, they quit and they didn't become a gambler. So this is happening in the real world too. There are lots of silent evidence that we don't know. Supposedly people who are teaching you about businesses, and they are saying this is the 5 exact steps that I followed, or anyone can follow, they can become a successful businessman or successful entrepreneur. No, it happened for them. They have this survivorship bias. Lots of people, hundreds and thousands of people followed the same rule and they failed. But they didn't come on the stage to share that they failed, so we don't have that evidence. That is silent evidence. We are not going to dig into that you're failed, let me take your sample as well. No, we only take sample of successful people. We say if that guy is saying this, he is successful, boom, he is right. but there are always some silent evidence that you have to look out if you want to know the real truth. And when we don't know the real truth, black swan event happens. So now you have this pretty much confidence that black swan events are going to happen. So what you can do and how you can get benefit from these black swan events. पहली चीज है कि do not sit relax. Do not keep doing whatever you are doing for the rest of your life. Supposedly you are doing a software engineering and for the rest of life you did only that. You never exposed yourself to anything else. You never tried photography, you never tried public speaking, you never tried investing in the stock. So you never export yourself to any black swan event that might happen in your life and give you this big jump and you can go somewhere else you haven't expected. So black swan events are not only negative events, they are positive events as well. So these events happen to venture capitalists, stock traders, bankers, anyone who is in any job that has this uncertainty attached to it. It will not happen to a certain person. Like he is doing his job as a bank manager, he is going to get 80,000 or 1,50,000 salary at the end of month. Nothing is going to happen with him, no black swan whatsoever. He is going to be stable there for the rest of his life. So if you want to take this opportunity of black swan events in your life, you have to expose yourself to the positive black swan events. You have to go out and meet some really good people, maybe some awesome personalities, maybe try to approach some good businessman, maybe he say yes. You don't know black swan events. We don't know black swan events. They might happen in our life. They can happen anytime. So do not make this mistake of sitting on your couch and doing same thing every day and expecting the different result. It is not going to happen. You have to expose yourself to positive black swans and they might change your life forever. So I hope this video and this book will help you to see the world differently, and if yes, then like this video, share this video and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. A lot of video. Bye.